So do you also wish to automate delivery and logistics support over WhatsApp? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp AI agent for delivery and logistics support. So like you, I'm also running a business and we regularly receive user queries on WhatsApp related to delivery and logistics. And it is such a tedious task to reply to all of those WhatsApp messages over and over again. So to solve this problem, I have simply created an AI agent, and now whenever my user send me any message, an automatic reply is sent towards my user using this AI agent. So if you also want to create this WhatsApp AI agent for your own business, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin, and first I'm going to show you a magic. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and let's say I'm going to type, hey, I need help. So I'm going to type, hey, I need help, and I'm going to send this message. And once I send this message, an automatic reply will be generated. So yes, you're going to see an automatic reply is generated. Hi there, how can I assist you today? So let's ask a question. Hi, what cat food options do you have? And now it is sharing me the cat food options. It's saying we have the following cat food options. Alright, it is also giving me the details of the same cat food. So let's say I'm going to ask a question. Which one is better for adult cats? And I'm going to send this message. And once I'm going to send this message, an automatic reply will be generated. And yes, you can see it is saying both options are great for adult cats, but they serve different needs. This one is improving vision, skin and coat health, and the next one has own benefits. It is saying if your cat is primarily indoors, might be a better choice that if you go for this food. Alright, so let's ask another question, which is, can I return if my cat doesn't like it? So let's send this message and check for the reply. So I'm going to wait for a few seconds, and you're going to see that this AI agent is going to reply, unfortunately returns are not accepted for the cases where customers change their mind. So let's ask another question. What if the pack comes damaged? And I'm going to send this message, and once I'm going to send this message, an automatic reply will be generated. It says over here, if the pack arrives damaged, you can raise a return request via WhatsApp. You will need to provide a photo proof of the damaged packing. So yes, you can see within seconds and in real time, this WhatsApp AI agent is solving all my queries. But you must be wondering how this AI agent knows so much about my business. So I have created a knowledge base where I have the details of all the food we offer and also the rest of the FAQs. And using these details only, this chatbot is replying me. You're going to see all the details are exactly the same which we entered in this knowledge source. Alright, so yes, if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp AI agent for your own business which helps you to automate delivery and logistics over WhatsApp, then you have to watch this tutorial till the end. So to do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. Now it is opening the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, using which we are going to create this WhatsApp AI agent. And right now a Ganesh Chaturthi sale is going on, so you can purchase Pabbly Connect for a one-time price. But before we move on further, I'll show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflow tips, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance because we have experts in this. And if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join this amazing community because our experts are ready to solve all your problems. Alright, let's go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow and create this automation. For that, we have two options on the landing page. One is sign in and the other one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 free credits to explore Pabbly Chatflow. But over here, I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in. And once we click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps, and over you're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on this access access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And to get started, you simply have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And to add the WhatsApp number, you have to go towards this add WhatsApp number button. You're going to get two methods, WhatsApp Connect or manual token connect. You can use any one of this method in order to add your WhatsApp number. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number. You don't need to worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. Let's move on further and create this WhatsApp AI agent. Alright, so to create this, I'm going to go towards this left end of the site of Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Going to see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. But today this video is only going to focus on how to create an AI assistant for delivery and logistics support. So I'm going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow directly. If you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Let's create this AI agent. You're going to see that over here are the total AI assistants, the active one and the inactive one. So let's create a one from scratch. So I'm going to go towards this add AI assistant. Now for the assistant name, I'm going to keep it as AI agent for delivery and logistics support, and click on this add AI assistant button. And once we click on this add AI assistant button, a window something like this will appear in front of us. Now we have to select the instructions. So we have multiple options to select the instructions. The first one which we have is custom prompt. So you can give a custom prompt right over here, which is the custom instructions according to your own needs. If you wish, you can definitely enter your custom instructions right over here. After selecting the instruction, type as custom prompt. But we also have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So you can also select a pre-built example. I'm going to select one of the pre-built example, which is customer support agent. And now this is automatically going to add all the instructions. If you wish, you can definitely add some or delete some right from here. Now let's move on further. After this instructions, we have this temperature. So over here you have to set how creative the AI answers are going to be. 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused, and if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So you have to enter the temperature according to your own choice and according to the answers which you wish to get. I'm going to keep it as 0.2 because I want more focused answers. Now it is asking me to select the AI to use. So I'm going to select the AI as OpenAI right over here. For the model, I'm going to select it as GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, we are going to follow the help text, and it is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. Alright, so I'm going to go towards my OpenAI API key page, and after coming towards this page, we have to click on this create secret key button. Now you have to enter the key name. Let's say I'm going to name my key as testing, and now for the project, I'm going to select it as default project and click on this create secret key button. And as you can see that this is my API key, so I'm going to simply copy this API key and then I'm going to click on this done and paste this API key right over here in my workflow. And after pasting this, we have to click on this button which says connect. And once we click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. Alright, let's move on further. The next which we have is this AI assistant settings. So what you have to do is, if you wish to add a header message, you can simply switch it on and add the header message right over here. Same goes for the footer message. The maximum character limit is 60. That is the only thing you have to keep in mind. I'm going to close both of these because these are not required and I don't wish to add any header or footer message. The next which we have is this stop keywords. So over here you have to enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. So let's say I want to add a keyword human. So I'm going to type human and then press enter to add this keyword. It is really important to type the keyword and then press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. So let's say I have added the keyword human, and now whenever my user is going to type the keyword human, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop, and further the AI assistant will not respond to that user. That chat of that user will be moved towards the intervene section, and a manual review will be needed in order to take that chat back again to AI assistant. So let's say user want to speak to a human and the AI is not solving their queries, so you can use this stop keywords in order to stop the AI assistant. If you can definitely add this keyword. I'm going to keep it as blank and close this stop keywords. Now for the retry attempts. Over here, you have to specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant keys fail to respond. The valid range is between 1 to 10. Alright, if you wish, you can definitely add this, but this is not required, so I'm going to leave it as blank. The next which we have is this fallback message. So here you have to enter the message to display when the API key of the AI assistant is not responding correctly. So let's say my user has some emergency, so I'm going to simply add the support email address of my company in this so that they can contact me on my email address if they have some emergency. So yes, you can see that I have successfully added this support email address. You can customize this message according to your own needs. And with this, we have completed this AI instructions and now move on towards this knowledge source. So yes, you're going to see that I mentioned that we used a knowledge source using which this AI assistant is replying me so correctly. Alright, so I'm going to upload this knowledge source. And to upload this knowledge source, what you have to do is you first have to create a knowledge source for your own business, which should be unique to your business. It should include the company background, FAQs, and more that your chatbot can utilize while answering the questions. Alright, so as you can see that I have already created a knowledge source for my own company, and using this only I want to create this AI assistant. So what we have to do is we have to add the knowledge source in a Google Doc, go towards this file, download, and then we have to download this knowledge source. And how are we going to download this knowledge source? Over here you have to go towards this download, and you can download this in TXT or PDF format. We accept both the formats. Alright, so over here I'm just going to let you know that we prefer TXT formats, not PDF much, because PDF has no text limits for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, it limits to 10 pages. So I'll suggest you go for TXT format. It is really easy. You can download it directly from here only. Alright, if you wish, you can definitely use the PDF format too. We accept that too. Okay, so let's upload the knowledge source. We have to go towards this choose a file and upload this from the download section. So as you're going to see that this is the knowledge source, so I'm going to upload it. And once I upload this AI agent is going to reply using this knowledge source only, and yes, we have successfully uploaded this knowledge source. Now let's move on further towards this AI interface. It is asking me for the display heading name. So over here it is asking me to enter the brand name. Alright, so I'm going to enter the brand name, which is Pet Care Foods. Alright, I'm going to enter this brand name, and as you can see, it is going to add right over here too. Now it is saying enter the subheading. So if you wish, you can definitely enter the subheading or edit this subheading. I'm going to keep it as same only and move on further. Whatever you'll edit right over here will appear right over here too. You have to keep that in mind. Alright, let's move on further. The next which we have is initial message. So you can add up to 2 initial messages. What you have to do is you simply have to type the initial message and then press enter, and the initial message will be added. If you wish, you can definitely add 2 or 1. It depends upon you. The next which we have is display powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish, you can definitely enable or disable it right from here, and this powered by Pabbly will disappear if you disable it. Now let's move on further. The next which we have is this footer text. So you can use this to add a disclaimer or a link to your privacy policy or anything which you need. And the next is the footer link if you wish to add any link in your footer. Next which we have is this user's first message. I'm going to keep the user first message as hey. You can keep it as anything else according to your own choice. And this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user. With this, we have successfully completed this AI interface. Now let's move on further towards this styling. It is asking me for this theme. So over here you can style your WhatsApp AI assistant. You can change the theme, you can change the shape, you can change the background color, you can change the text color, the buttons, and much more from here. It depends upon you. How do you want to make this look? You can also add the profile picture and the assistant profile picture too. It depends upon you how you wish to make this. And with this, we have successfully completed this WhatsApp AI agent. So easy, right? Now what you have to do is you simply have to switch on this AI assistant and activate this AI assistant so that it can run in real time, and then we have to click on this save AI assistant. And with this, we have successfully completed this. But now let's assign this to our user so that we can check it in real time. And how can we assign this to the user? So what you can do is you can go towards this embedded section and add this script in your website if you want to add this WhatsApp AI assistant on your website. This is the first method. The next which we have is you can go towards this inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, I'm going to open it in a new tab, and in this inbox section you can simply open the user chart you wish to assign this AI assistant. Go towards this just choose AI Assistant and assign the AI Assistant and click on this save. And now whenever this user is going to message, this AI Assistant is going to reply. But this is such a tedious task to assign this AI Assistant to each user one by one. Not a problem, we have a solution for this too. What you can do is you can simply go towards this settings and then towards this inbox settings. And after coming over here towards this inbox settings, you can scroll and you're going to get the option of this AI auto reply settings. You can simply enable this AI auto replies. You have to first create a contact list by going towards this contact section, and you have to select the same list right over here, and then you have to assign this AI assistant also. And once you do this, what is going to happen is this AI assistant will be assigned to all the contacts you have in this list. This is also very easy. You just have to select the contact list and the AI assistant and click on this save button. And yes, you can see that inbox settings saved successfully. With this, we have successfully completed this AI assistant. Now let's check this in real time. I'm going to open my WhatsApp once again. I'm going to clear the previous conversation and start fresh. Let's say this time I'm going to message hey, and I'm going to send this message. And it is saying, hi there, how can I assist you today? Alright, so I'm going to ask the question, hi, do you have food for senior dog? And I'm going to send this message. And once I'm going to send this message, an automatic reply will be generated. Yes, we do. We have a food for senior dog. Going to see the details of the same. Let's say I'm going to ask another question, is it grain free? I'm going to simply ask this question, an automatic reply will be generated. You're going to see it is saying, no, senior dog food is not grain free. If you're looking for grain-free options, we have this formula. Alright, let's ask another question. How long for delivery to Delhi? And I'm going to send this message. An automatic reply will be generated for this too. I'm going to wait for the reply. And it is saying for deliveries to Delhi, you can expect your order to arrive within 1 to 2 business days. Let's ask another question. Do you offer COD, which is cash on delivery? And yes, it is saying yes, we do offer cash on delivery for orders below 5,000. So yes, you can see that this AI agent is running in real time perfectly fine, and with this we have successfully completed this WhatsApp AI agent. And now go and try this amazing WhatsApp AI agent for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.